Hello friends, welcome to Tulsi classes Making Science a Passion. Today we will do previous year question PYQ I have written of the chapter that is one dimensional motion. Whatever questions have come in shift 1, 2 and 3 we will take up one by one in the year 2021, that is the previous year. But as you know that on 27th July the exam is going to be held, which was not expected actually. 27th July, it is much earlier than the expected date. We were expecting it to be at least 2 or 3 months later on, but no problem. We will do each and everything in a fast manner. That means without wasting time we will cover each and every topic very fast. So the first question is, which of the following, these are one dimensional question and this is question from shift 1 2021. Shift 1 2021. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Options are 10 kg, 40 degree, 20 meter per second square and 10 raised to the power 19 coulomb. Now 10 kg, mass is a scalar quantity, 40 degree angle, it is also a scalar quantity, and here we can see 20 meter per second square. I have told you it is acceleration, the unit of acceleration meter per second square, and acceleration is a vector quantity, so our answer will be C. 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb is for charge, it is also scalar quantity. As soon as you get meter per second square, you will take this as vector quantity. Let us move to the next question. But as you can see, the next question, it says, a point possesses simultaneous velocities whose measures are 4, 3, 2 and 1, and the angle between the first and second is 30 degree, between the second and third is 90 degree, and between the third and fourth is 120 degree. We have to find the resultant velocity and angle to the direction of the first velocity. So how to solve this question? 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let us draw the diagram. As you can see, 4, 3, 2, 1, these are the magnitudes. Angle between first and second is 30 degree. Between second and third, it is 90 degree. Between third and fourth, that means magnitude 2 and 1, it is 120 degree. Now let us draw the diagram. The diagram can be, I am drawing here, 4. This has 4 magnitude, the arrow that I have drawn. Now 30 degree angle with 3, magnitude 3. This is 30 degree angle. 90 degree angle between 3 and 2. 3 and 2. So here it is 2 units, 90 degree angle. Then between 2 and 1 it is 120 degree. What I want to say here is, this is 4 unit, I am writing units here. 4 units. This one vector is of 3 unit, this is 2 unit and 1 unit. So as we have to find the direction also with respect to the first vector, that is 4, we will take it as x-axis. This is negative x, and vertically it will be y-axis. So this is 30 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. 120 degree, that means more than 45, so it will be here. One unit. This vector is of 1 unit. 1 unit. This is 90 degree. One more thing, that if this is 90 degree, see here, if this is 90 degree and the initial angle here is 30 degree, 90 plus 30 is 120 degree. So this angle will be of 30 degree. With blue I am marking the measure of the angle between vector of 2 unit and positive y-axis. This is 30 degree. And in the same way, the angle between the vector having magnitude 1 and negative y-axis, this will also be equal to 30 degree, because this is 120 degree plus in the first, second and third quadrant, we are moving 60 degree here in the third quadrant. So 60 plus 30, 90. You can check, this is 30 degree. Now we will use the resolution of vector concept, resolution of vector. So along positive x-axis, along positive x-axis, what we are getting? 4 components are 4. 3 is the unit cos 30 degree plus 3 cos 30 degree. Now the vector having magnitude 2, its component will be on the negative x-axis, so we will write minus, magnitude is 2, and this will be equal to cos 60 degree, as the angle which is remaining here is 60 degree. 2 cos 60 degree. The magnitude 1, the vector with magnitude 1, its component on the x-axis will be minus 1. Angle is 30 degree between negative y-axis, but with negative x-axis it is 60 degree. So we will write minus 1 cos 60 degree. This is the resultant, sorry, not the resultant, component along x-axis. Let us calculate 4 plus 3 cos 30. It will be 3 root 3 by 2 minus 2 cos 60 minus 1 cos 60 means minus 3 cos 60. Minus 3 cos 60 is 1 by 2. When we will calculate it, it will become 4 minus 3 by 2. That means 2 and half, which is 5 by 2, plus 3 root 3 by 2 plus 3 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 5 plus 3 root 3 divided by 2. 5 plus 3 root 3 divided by 2. This is the component in the x-axis. Similarly, we will calculate the component along the final component along y-axis. Now I am erasing this thing. Along x-axis you can see, along y-axis we will find 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2. This I will write 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2 we have got. 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2. This was along x-axis. Along y-axis, what will we get? Along y-axis, this is positive y-axis. 4, the vector with magnitude 4, it forms 90 degree angle with y-axis, so it will have no component. Its component along y-axis will be 0. Let us start with vector having magnitude 3. So it will become 3 sine 30 degree. 3 sine 30. For 2 it will become 2 cos 30 plus 2 cos 30 degree. And then for the last vector, that is with magnitude 1, it will become minus, we will write because it is along the negative y-axis, minus 1 30 degree angle, so minus 1 cos 30 degree. Let us solve this. 3 sine 30 means 3 by 2. Sine 30 is half plus 2 cos 30. 2 cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, so directly we can do 2 cos 30 minus 1 cos 30. That means cos 30 only. 1 cos 30, which is root 3 by 2. This will become 3 plus root 3 divided by 2. 3 plus root 3 divided by 2. We have got now along y-axis the component and the component along x-axis. How to find the resultant? You know resultant is root under a square plus b square. So let me erase this first. 3 plus root 3 by 2. Three plus root 3 by 2. Now resultant. Resultant is root under a square plus b square, you know, or we can write x square plus y square. Let this be equal to x, let this be equal to y. First we will find x square, then y square, add it. Yes, and resultant, it is plus 2xy cos 90 degree, cos 90 degree. This will become 0. This will become 0 because cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. So it will become 0. Let us erase this. X square is equal to, x square, how much it will become? X square is equal to 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2. So a plus b whole square, a square 25 plus b square, 3 3s are 9 into 3, 27, a square plus b square. You have to square this, okay? A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into 5, 10 into 3, 10 into 3, 30 root 3. 30 root 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, divided by 4, which will be equal to 25 plus 27, 35, 45. Okay. 35, 45, 55 and 3 less, 52. So it is 52 plus 30 root 3 by 4. This we are getting. Now I am erasing the diagram. In the same way, we will find y square. Y square is equal to a plus b whole square. 3 3s are 9 plus root 3 square is 3 plus 2 into 3, 6 into root 3. 6 root 3 divided by 4. 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 6 root 3 by 4. X square and y square. Now we will add this, x square plus y square. Let us add x square plus y square. How much you will get? If you will add these two, that is 52 plus 30 root 3 plus 12 plus 6 root 3 divided by 4. 52 plus 12, 64 plus 36 root 3 divided by 4, which will be equal to, now I am erasing this, this is not required, which will be equal to, divided by 4, 16 plus 9, 4 9s are 36, 9 root 3, or that is equal to 16 plus 9 root 3. You will get it 15.58, something like this approximately. 16 plus 15.58, 31.58. Now this is x square plus y square. So what will be root under? That means resultant is equal to root under 31.58, which will be equal to 5 point something it will come, because 5 5s are 25, 5.64 I think it will be. Okay, let me calculate using calculator. Root under 31.58, yes, it is 5.619. 619 means 62, 5.62. And in this question, option is there. So the option given, let me see here. Now one more thing, you don't need to find the angle, because the option given with 5.62 is only one option. Other options are 7.40, 4.42 and 2.81. So 5.62 only one option is there, no need to find angle, directly you will take option A. Okay, now moving over to the next question. The next question, as you can see here, is if a moving point possesses simultaneous velocities which are represented in magnitude and direction by the dash of a parallelogram drawn from a point, they are equivalent to a velocity which is represented in magnitude and direction by the dash of the parallelogram passing through the point. Means if a parallelogram is there, then it has been said, that simultaneous velocities are represented in magnitude and direction by the dash of a parallelogram. Here you can remember the parallelogram law of vector addition, where two sides we took, two adjacent sides of a parallelogram represented two vectors, and the vector that represents the diagonal of the parallelogram starting from the point where the two vectors they meet. That means the starting point of the two vectors and the starting point of the resultant vector will coincide. Then the diagonal shows the resultant of the vector. So here you can tick the option D, that is two sides which are represented in magnitude and direction by the two sides of a parallelogram drawn from a point. Then this is equivalent, this diagonal is equivalent to a velocity which is represented in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram. So option D will be correct here. Option D, that is two sides and diagonal. And how? Parallelogram law of vectors. Parallelogram law of vectors. This I have told you. Okay, moving to the next question. The next question, as you can see here, is a cage in a mine shaft descends with 2 feet per second square units of acceleration. After it has been in motion for 10 seconds, a particle is dropped on it from the top of the shaft. What time elapses before the particle hits the cage? The information given here is acceleration of the cage. Acceleration of the cage. What is the acceleration of the cage given? AC is equal to 2 feet per second square. Here we are taking downward direction as positive, then upward will be negative. So 2 feet per second square, and now we will apply here relative velocity concept. So at the time when the stone was thrown, after 10 seconds, the lift must have moved some distance and it must have also gained some velocity. So what will be the velocity of the cage after 10 seconds? Velocity of cage after 10 seconds. How much it is? V is equal to u plus at. U is 0, a into t. A, acceleration 2 into 10 seconds. 2 tens are 20. So 20 feet per second is the velocity of the cage after 10 seconds. Now displacement of the cage. Displacement of cage in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, where it will be? S is equal to ut plus half at square. We know S is equal to ut plus half a t square. So ut is 0, half a we will write, half a is 2, half into a into t square. Time is 10 seconds, 10 square is 100. That is equal to 2 gets cancelled. You will get 100 feet. The unit here is feet. 100 feet displacement velocity of the cage. Now comes the concept of relative velocity as the stone has been dropped from the top. So the stone needs to cover 100 feet. Stone needs to cover 100 feet. That means we will stop the cage. We will stop the cage when we are talking about relative velocity with respect to cage. Velocity of stone with respect to cage and acceleration of stone with respect to cage we will find. Let me write here. Velocity of stone with respect to cage. This I am representing VSC. velocity of stone. What was velocity of stone? 0 minus velocity of cage. Velocity of cage, what is it? 20 feet per second minus 20. That will be equal to minus 20 feet per second. This 20 feet per second is the actual velocity of the cage, and relative velocity of the stone with respect to cage is minus 20 feet per second. Acceleration of stone with respect to cage. What is acceleration of stone? That is acceleration of stone minus acceleration of cage. Acceleration of stone is acceleration due to gravity. That will be 32 feet per second square minus 2. That is equal to 30 feet per second square. We have got velocity and acceleration with respect to cage. The distance that stone will travel is 100 feet in positive direction, as downward direction we have taken as positive. Now we will write the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square to get the time. So I am erasing this. We have got 100 feet it has to cover. 100 feet it has to cover. I am erasing this thing. Okay. We know the formula. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Everything is relative here. So S is 100 feet. It has to travel, the stone has to travel 100 feet. U is 0. Sorry, U is not 0. U is initial velocity. Velocity of stone with respect to cage, that is minus 20t plus half into relative acceleration is 30 a t square. T we don't know, we have to find the time elapsed before it hits the cage. So we will solve this quadratic equation and get the time. Let us solve. 2 1s are 2 15s are. Divide complete thing by 5, you will get 20 is equal to minus 4t plus divided by 5, it will become 3t square. We have to solve this equation and find the answer. Let us solve. T square minus 4t, this will come this side, minus 20 is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac, what you are getting? B square, this will become 16, minus 4 square 16, minus 4 into a is 3 and c is minus 20. This we will get 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 240 plus 16, 256. This is the discriminant that we are getting. Now time t is equal to minus b. This will become plus 4 minus b plus minus root under 256. It is 16. 16 square is 256. Divided by 2a. It is 6. 3 to the 6. Now negative time will not be there, so we will take only positive. 16 plus 4 is 20 divided by 6. 20 divided by 6, that is equal to 2 3s are 2 10s are 10 by 3, or that is equal to 1 whole 1 by 3. Sorry, 3 1 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 10. 3 1 by 3 second will be your final answer. In this way you have to do. That means finally you have to solve quadratic equation, and initially what you have to do, you have to find relative acceleration, relative velocity and the displacement of the cage. The point to remember here is G, acceleration due to gravity, is 32 feet per second square. This will not be given, this you have to remember, or it is 9.8 meter per second square, or that is equal to 980 centimeter per second square. These things you have to remember. Now moving over to the next question. Next question is saying the minute hand of a clock is 2 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 45 minutes? Use pi is equal to 3.14. This is shift 3 2021. Let us find how far does it move. So distance we have to find. What is distance? It is a clock. So if nothing is said, that may, sorry, sorry, nothing is said, no, it is a clock, then this will act as radius. 2 centimeter is the radius and its tip is moving till 45 minutes. 2 pi r gives complete rotation, but 45 minute is 3 by 4 of complete rotation. 3 by 4 of complete rotation. So put the value 2 into pi into radius. This minute hand will act as a radius 2 centimeter, 2 pi r into 3 by 4, because the clock is not the tip of the minute hand is not moving for complete 1 hour. So it is 3 by 4 here. 45 minute means it is 3 by 45 minute by 60, you will do 60 minute, you will get 3 by 4. Cancel 2 and this 4 gets cancelled. 3.14 into 3, 3.14 into 3, 3 3s are 9.42. 9.42 means option B will be the correct option. Next question is, in the next question you can see the question says, a train which is moving at the rate of 60 miles per hour is brought to rest in 3 minutes with a uniform retardation. Find its retardation and also the distance that the train travels before coming to rest. So the information given here is initial velocity 60 miles per hour and time taken is 3 minutes. These two data is given. Initial velocity 60 miles per hour, time taken is 3 minutes. We have to find retardation. Out of the 3 equations of motion that I have told you, where ut is used and retardation we can get is v is equal to u plus at. Here, there you can get retardation. V is equal to u plus at. Final velocity, it is brought to rest 0, is equal to u, 60 miles per hour. Now we will do everything taking in miles per hour only. Miles and hour will be our unit. So 60 miles, 60 plus acceleration a, time is in minute, let us convert into hour. How much it is? 3 minutes. 3 by 60, which is equal to 1 by 20 hour. Into 1 by 20 we will do. The problem is that option is not visible. Option is not given here in the question that I have told, because it was not printed when previous year question was taken. Minus 60, it will become minus 60 is equal to a by 20, or acceleration is coming out to be minus 1200 miles per hour square. It is meter per second square, but here we have taken miles and hour. And now yes, one more thing, it is acceleration, we have to find retardation. So if in the option retardation is given minus 1200 miles per hour square, that will be wrong answer. The option will be where retardation is asked. Retardation is equal to 1200 miles per hour square. This will be your answer, not this one. This is acceleration. Now let us move to the second part, that is how far will it travel before coming to rest. I am erasing this part. What we got? Acceleration was minus 1200 miles per hour square. Distance traveled, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now distance u is 60 miles per hour, we will write 60. Time is 1 by 20 hour. The retardation was given for 1 by 20 hour plus half. Acceleration we got minus 1200 miles per hour square into t square. Time square, 1 by 20 square is 1 by 400. Let us solve this to get the distance. 2 0 2 0, 4 1s are 4 3s are. Now this will become minus 3 by 2, and here it will also get cancelled. 21s are 23s are. So 3 plus minus 3 by 2, 3 plus minus 3 by 2. How much it will become? 3 minus 3 by 2, it will become 3 by 2, or that is equal to 1.5, and our unit what we have taken is miles. So 1.5 miles it will travel before coming to rest. This was the answer for this question. Now that's all about today's video. I will try to put videos as soon as possible, okay, and we have to move in a fast way now. Thank you.